Hello everyone. Let's learn basic Malay step by step. This digraph sound is This letter sound is ah. Put them together, we have nga. Nga. Let's try reading more suku kata. Nga. Ngah. Nga. Ngao. Ngam. Ngan. Ngap. Ngar. Ngas. Ngat. Great job. Now let's read some common words. Can you separate the suku kata of this word? We say bunga. Bunga. Bunga means flower. For example, bunga raya ini cantik. That means the hibiscus flower is beautiful. Can you separate the suku kata of this word? We say singa. Singa. Singa means lion. Singa makan daging. That means the lion eats meat. This word has 3 suku kata. We say telinga. Telinga. It means ear. For example, saya mendengar dengan telinga. I hear with my ears. This word is mengapa. Mengapa. Mengapa means why. Mengapa awak menangis? Why are you crying? This word is mengajar. Mengajar. It means to teach. Cikgu Lina mengajar matematik. That means teacher Lina teaches math. This word is pengajar. Pengajar. It means someone who teaches. Pengajar memandu. Ajar saya bawa kereta. The driving instructor teaches me how to drive a car. Well done. Don't forget to practice every day. And remember to like and subscribe for more easy Malay lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.